press the button once for the high beam, another time for the low beam, and then the strobe. Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this LED headlamp from the manufacturer to do a review. Let's open it up, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Have the user's manual. Comes with 3 batteries. USB charging cable. Clips. And the headlamp. Okay, let's take a closer look at the LED headlamp. It has a 30-watt super bright lamp bead that can be used as a floodlight, spotlight, or flashlight. On the top is your switch. Here, of course, I don't have the batteries in it right now. So the light can adjust to a 90-degree angle to allow you to have light at different positions. You have a telescopic zoom adjustments just by simply pulling this in and out. You want to zoom into a closer, tighter spotlight or the floodlight or anywhere in between as a flashlight. You have a soft headband, head straps that are adjustable on each side. On the back you have a light here that will indicate that the power is on. Okay, it came with a pack of a few clips that this light will fit onto a hard hat, and then you can utilize these clips to clip on the straps in place of the hard hat to keep the headlamp into place. This light is waterproof. That's another good feature, and it's supposed to cast a beam of 3,280 feet distance or 1,000 meters. On the side you have an infrared induction sensor on the right side that will allow you to turn on or off the light if that mode is pressed. And it did come with 3,000 milliamp hour rechargeable batteries. Okay, to place the batteries in, you just open the hinge latch on this side here, and you can see it will accommodate the 3 batteries. Good thing about this battery pack, if it's heavy, the light will actually work with just 1 battery or 2 batteries or 3, depending on how many hours you would like for it to last. All the batteries go in the same position where the spring is located as your negative end. I'm going to close it. Here on the bottom, once you have the batteries in, you have a charging port, USB Type-C. You would just plug the Type-C cable provided into this, and then plug the other end into an AC outlet. And you can see it blink. When it's blinking, it means it's charging, and once it's a solid blue light, then you know it's charged. So on the other end, on the top, you have a USB Type-A power output that you can actually use the same cable or a different cable, use a USB-A and charge your cell phone or other device up using the power supply from this battery pack. Okay, to turn it on, you press the on-off button on top of the lamp, and you can see that it's on there. Press it again for low beam. Press it again for strobe. And again for off. So you have high beam, low beam, and strobe, and off. And then as I stated earlier, you can zoom in or out for spotlight, flashlight, or floodlight. Okay, we'll turn it on. I'm not going to shine this directly into the camera, but press the button once for the high beam, another time for the low beam, and then the strobe. If you press and hold it for like 3 seconds, it will activate the induction or the motion light. So to turn it off, you just wave your hand on the right hand side. Turn it back on, you just wave your hand to the right side again. So that's an excellent feature if you need the light on or off at certain times if you're doing a work task. And to take it off that mode, you just press the button and then turn it back on again. So this is indoor. If you just look at the curtains, there's a spotlight. You can kind of see it's very concentrated. It's like a flashlight. And then all the way in will make a floodlight. And again, this is supposed to shine over 3,000 feet distance or 1,000 meters. So we'll wait till it gets dark outside and we'll take a look at it. Okay, with these batteries fully charged, it will last up to 12 hours on high beam and up to 50 hours on low beam. So that gives you a lot of light duration. And if it's too heavy, it will still operate off of 2 batteries or 1 battery if you need to reduce the weight. So we'll turn it on with just 1 battery. And as you can see, the light still works. Okay, I'm in my backyard now. It's not completely dark, but I'll shine it on my privacy fence and up in my trees here just a little bit, just so you'll have an idea of just how bright it is. So I'll turn it on. I've got it on the spot now, as you can see, on the picnic table up in the tree areas. Put it on the widest, which would be floodlight. That's bright. That's low. That is strobe. Okay, let's take the beam in a little, just a bit. Put it on like flashlight. So that's about halfway zoomed in. It's on high, and this is on low, and this is on strobe. Okay, let's hold the button down for like 3 seconds and put it on the sensor. So I can wave my hand in front of the sensor and it goes off. Rub my hand back in front of it and it goes on. Off, on. It's just a great feature. Off, on. I'm very impressed with the super brightness of this LED headlamp. It'd be excellent for camping, hiking, fishing, or hunting, or just working in dark places at your house, or working with your hands on your automobile. But it's just a great headlamp. And the fact that it will fit also with a hard hat, and you have the clips, adjustable headbands, hand straps, the battery pack on the back, the long lasting hours. You have the adjustable headlamp that will adjust 90 degrees. Also the infrared sensor on the side. So I highly recommend this super bright LED headlamp.